Hi guys, hope you're good. Welcome to our video. Today we're going to do a hike in the Tamarind Falls located in Henrietta with frogger wheels and leisure. This guide is just amazing guys. He's just showing us all the plants in Mauritius and what is it used for. So guys, with this one, we call it fatak. I'm not very sure how to say it in English. It's like just a wild grass. And also, I remember when I was a kid, my grandpa used to make broom with it. So we were calling that fatak broom. So it's very rare nowadays. I'm not sure if people are still doing that kind of broom in Mauritius.
Allez, chant. Allez, chant. Qu'est-ce que c'est? C'est les basiliques.
Basilic, ouais.
Ah. Avec ça,
Oui,
pour
basilic mauricien.
Oui, pour la région.
So the plant near the temple is the tulsi as his head. So in Mauritius, we call it tulsi, and it's known in English as the holy basil. And it is an aromatic herb from the mint family, native to the Indian subcontinent and is considered sacred in Hinduism. It's also considered a sacred plant in Hinduism and is often grown in Hindu homes. It's widely used in the Ayurvedic medicine tradition for thousands of years as an elixir of life.
Oui.
Tu fais yoga.
Oui. Oui.
Tu connais?
Mais pas vraiment une séance yoga, mais...
Oh, tout en est là. Tout en est là. Pas de problème. Tu connais cette plante?
Oui. C'est pas ça.
Oh, du poivre?
Du poivre.
Voilà, les baies rouges, du poivrier, pépin,
Oh.
fin. Allez, une feuille pour toi. Et ça, c'est une plante de la forêt. Si vous coupez votre main, vous avez
Ouais, mettre ça
mal.
là. Gratte-les.
Wow.
Voilà, dégrattez légèrement la peau
Mhm.
comme ça. Voilà. Et voilà.
Oui.
Mettre l'autre du mal.
Oh. T'as quand tu mal,
Et toute
tu mets
seule.
ça là.
Regarde, tu mets
Voilà.
tout gratte-les.
Mhm.
Après, tu mets l'autre du mal.
Et il est passé.
Un parfum naturel et gratuit.
You won't believe it guys, so the guide is telling us with this tiny plant, if one day you got hurt in the forest and you don't have anything on you, so you can use this one to put on your injury and it's gonna heal naturally. It's amazing, isn't it?
Lima?
Non.
Non, tiens, gros, puis vite, Marie, gros, ça fait là.
Oui.
Mais on va pas connaître, on va pas connaître.
Avec ça, me dit oui. Quand tu as mauvais à la case, tu prends ça.
Mets devant
Lila.
la côte.
Ah,
Eh ben, ça même tu peux retirer.
Lila.
Oui,
Ah,
oui.
là.
Et dans ça côté, c'est un petit peu de matière.
Quand retourner, vous donne toi.
Oui. Mais quand tu gagnes la vérité, pas gagner, pas ça, là, nous mettons ça, l'eau.
Voilà.
Tu veux pas connaître quoi peut-être après,
Ah.
parfois. Là, c'est pas bon. Bois d'oiseau.
Voilà.
Bois d'oiseau.
Tu prends 3
Pas
feuilles.
bon ça.
Bonne bien information.
So the guide recommend us to start from the bottom first because it's much easier and then we will go up on our way back. This is so peaceful guys, you can't hear any cars, any nothing.
earlier.
This is amazing, guys. So this guy talks to the nature with this weird noise.
Yeah, he's making noises with his mouth to call the birds.
Yeah. So he connects to the nature with that noise.
Yes.
The seven waterfalls, also called sept cascades in French, are a series of waterfalls on the Rivière Tamarin in the southwest of Mauritius. They're part of a lush gorge cut by the river, flowing through tropical forests, and include multiple shrubs, pools, rock formations, and natural basins. Despite the name seven, there are in fact more than 7 waterfalls in some areas. Some sources mention up to 11 or even 12 waterfalls, but the 7 are the main ones usually visited by people. It's about 1 hour drive from many major tourist hubs like Port Louis, the north, or the coast. You have also public transport. Buses run from towns like Port Louis or Cupid to Henrietta. From the drop-off, there is some walking required to get to the trailhead.
This is another nice fruit here. I don't know the real name, how you call it, but here we call it jambuza. It's sweet and it tastes, I don't know, like a little bit like a mix of maybe banana and something else. I'm not too sure, but it tastes really yummy. And the guavas I was telling you before, so there's 2 colors. We got red color and yellow color. So I like both, but I think my favorite one is yellow. The yellow one is sweet, and the red one as well is sweet, but also and a little bit of sour with it. But it's really yummy. So this is another waterfall here.
Chọn mấy một cô nữa. Mấy cái về ban, mấy cái về ban. Google. No, là nó không có. Where? Which one is which one?
And this one from the sea. Lalu berlauk kita situ dia dengan Remedies.
Allez, ok.
Berlauk kita nanti.
Ok.
Lepas dia kan situ laut.
Ok.
Baru dia bisa sama bangun sokong.
D'accord.
Ouais.
Super.
On passons dans les bois. But it's alright. Fish spa.
Les pieds là, mettre tous les dés. Viens, mes amis, viens. Digi, digi, digi. Là, doucement. Pas bouger ton pied.
C'est pour moi que c'est personne va venir.
Attends, vous venez là.
Ah, kita masih baby.
Et attends, pas bouger ton pied.
Malah malah pemau. Maman qui arrive mon point. Ah yo yo. Eh ben mais donne.
Non, pas mettez.
Eh mettez-toi. Allez, mettez. Laisse les pieds là. T'es mal and laughing therapy.
If you're a good swimmer, it's a perfect spot to have a swim. It's more than 34 meters deep.
Huh? Ang kaso.
Quand on fait avec toi.
Ah bon, ok.
You can hike without a guide, especially with the more accessible parts. But guys, we highly recommend to hire a guide for safety, because paths inside are unmarked and confusing, and also for local knowledge like plants, animals, best spots, etc., and of course to avoid getting lost. The best timing to do the hike is to start early in the morning to avoid the midday heat. And after rain might mean more dramatic waterfalls, but also more slippery and dangerous trails. It's good to know that you have to get good hiking shoes, grip is important, swimwear, towel for natural pools, water, sunscreen, mosquito repellent, and of course you can bring some snack.
Ouais, on t'oublie, ouais, vraiment. Ça, comme ça, sur la coupe, pas là. C'est bizarre. Il y a un petit là-dedans. C'est bizarre. Des bouts de plantes, peut-être. Un peu, tu peux déjà glisser. C'est bon.
Sérieux là. Beau. Un vidéo. Allez. Viens là.
Ouais.
Comme ça, quand on se quoi, quand tu es dans le milieu, des choses comme ça, on prend une Maurice, voilà.
Exactement.
So guys, this is very steep here.
So now we're going up to have a swim. We walk like 2 hours maybe, and it's so worth it, guys. You won't regret it at all. So we saw 3-4 waterfalls. It was just beautiful. We booked this hike with Fragavels and Leisure located in Flickenflack. We highly recommend this agency to do all your activities around Mauritius. You can 100% trust them, and we're very happy today, guys. We got a guide that showed us so many things that we didn't know. Thank you, Fragavels.
Allez, prenez une photo là.
Yes, the bus.
Allez, viens là. Viens là. Tiens tous les pieds là comme ça. Là.
Ah, ouais.
Oui. Viens là quand tu vas te marcher.
Non, voilà. Et super. Magnifique.
Look. Look.
Realize. Okay, guys, we're nearly done. So we had like a 3-4 hours walk in the bush. We visited 5 waterfalls, and
We swam in what?
yeah, we had a swim in the river.
Yeah, and the water was cold, but really,
It
Really
was
refreshing.
Really.
yeah, it was
So now
amazing.
we're going back to the sugarcane field,
We're going
and
on the car
highly
park.
recommend to hire a guide to do this tour.
Yeah, and also a guide with a license, because there's plenty of people that say they are guide but they don't have any license. Have to be careful of that.
A lot of people got lost.
Yes.
It's too big. Oh, what's that? We did it! We did it! Yeah!
Vous voyez? On fait ça, on vient dans le sens, c'est pas ici.
Oh,
Mais parfois les gens qui font comme ça, dans le sens, monter dans les bas-fonds,
Hmm.
en montant, s'il te plaît, partir en descendant.
Ouais.
tu fais là-bas, nous.
Voilà.
Ça va. Nous, continue là-bas, non.
Non, c'est bon, ça va, on descend dans les bas-fonds. C'est pas ici. Mais parfois les gens qui font comme ça, là, ils montent dans le sens.
dans l'autre côté.
Ouais.
C'est pareil. Tu vois? Tu peux anglais?
Oui.
By the river on Babylon. Hey, hey, hey.
By the rivers of
And when she's swimming, down get in the ring.
La la la.
She look, la 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 la. And when she go back in the car, everything all right, everything all right. No woman no cry,
No
woman no cry.
Dun, dun.
Okay, best guide. Best guide.
Yeah.
Best guide. Thank you.
Don't worry, for me, you see, for me, everything is for me.
Don't worry.
Be happy with me.
Be
Happy.
You see?
Very good.
All is me.
Okay.
But sometimes come here alone here.
Mm-hmm.
Some people,
We got lost.
some people come here, some people here, some problem. And then you got off with me, no.
Oh,
When
you're
you
the
go-
best.
When you go back in your car, your safe is better.
Yeah. We're safe with you.
Okay, ah.
Thank you for watching guys. We hope that you like our video. Feel free to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for your support. We see you on our next video. Bye!